Arab agenda is to Islamize Africa, and the Islamic in the north believe that they are superior more than the Christians. That makes it difficult to share equality in privilege and power. In a situation of this nature, Atiku is Fulani. After Fulani leaves office, another Fulani comes in. What do you think will happen? Tinubu is Islam. The only agenda, the only peace is Obi and the Dati. But I fear, because I see death for Obi and Dati taking over Fulani. It's dicey. If we can see the future, Nigeria will know that election is not our solution. Referendum is. Thank you, and I wish you well. The Islam believe that the Christians are infidels. If that is their belief, that is to say Christ also is an infidel. But the mark of the beast is in their forehead. The beast we are expecting, the 666 we are expecting, is the mark of their forehead. And when they assume the proper power, which is the seat is in Nigeria, then they will begin. Look at the test running with Buhari. That is the test run agenda of Islamic government, what it looks like. They will squeeze you. They will make you cry. Hunger will make you forced to join them. Because it's going to be either you come to Islam or you are hungry. The scripture told us how we will be maimed. It might not really be by weapon or by flogging as you see it over there. No, it is by hunger and torture. That we can, even our money, we cannot be able to have access to it. Remember, Nnamdi Kanu have already warned us before time. He has gone before and passed this message that our we should remove our money from the banks and keep in the house, because soon we will not be even able to take it. And it's happening now. Cashless policy. Now, in the cashless policy, there is no enabling ground provided by the government, but they have implemented the policy. That is Islamic rule. They don't care how you feel or what it turns around. What they care is to accomplish their own intention, their own agenda. So, as an infidel, who are you? You don't have right to talk where they are. That is why in every government, custom, police, army, navy, all arms of government, they are everywhere. Are they the only people in the country? Ask yourself the question. So, in 2023, is it election we need or a referendum we need? In 2023, is it election we need or this candidate contesting, these three candidates contesting, coming together and standing to resolve peacefully the dissolution of Nigeria? I don't know how you feel, but the truth must be told. Let us say the truth. And I think I stand on the truth. I know if we say the truth and work with the truth, we can be able to see the light ahead of us. I know we all need money, but politics, election of 2023 is not the solution to Nigerian problem. Peace is what we want. And this election is only going to bring us destruction. I know it is coming. So expect it. It is the grace, it is the grace that will help us during 2023. Because from now on, the food is already seized. Our eyes will clear after December. We will know what we have done. So if we say we are going to the polls, shame unto you. I wish you well. Are you getting me? Now, let's go to fire. Fire is what we use to roast our food, cook our food, yes, burn the bush. Yes. I mean, bring clarity where there is darkness. Yes. Now, if somebody come and tell you fire is God, is that person wrong? It's not wrong. Good. These are the elements. Yes. Now, okay. Now, the tree bear fruit. Yes. and we take the fruit.
Yes.
We put the seed on the ground.
Yes.
And it germinates.
Yes, yes.
If somebody now come and say that the tree is God, will you blame him?
No.
Now, the
air.
I am coming up at the air. The Oyibo came with their culture,
yes,
with their way of life,
yes,
and we admire it, we adopt it, abandon our own way of life.
Yes.
That is what happened in Christianity and our culture.
Exactly.
Our culture is who we are.
Yes.
But Christianity is an imitation of life.
Exactly.
Who we are not. Who we are not.
Yes.
We are just embracing it.
Yes.
It's a lifestyle.
Something that is not original.
A lifestyle.
Something that is not inherent.
So if
in somebody's life, it's not a part of you.
It's somebody's
imitation.
It's an imitation.
By indoctrination, by teaching.
So it's not. Without the oxygen, fire will not come up.
Exactly.
Are you getting me?
You are communicating.
Oh, okay. Now, in all, somebody actually say, God is air. Will you blame him?
No. No, why should you?
That is why our culture is the key. The culture is the key.